Welcome, engineers. Today we're exploring the RMS Voltage Interactive Calculator, a practical tool that solves a fundamental problem in electrical engineering, converting between different voltage measurements and calculating power dissipation across various waveform types. Let's examine the interface. At the top, you'll find the Calculation Mode drop-down menu. This offers 6 options. Sine wave, calculate RMS from peak voltage. Sine wave, calculate peak from RMS voltage. Square wave, calculate RMS voltage. Triangle wave, calculate RMS from peak. Custom waveform, calculate from samples. And power calculation from RMS voltage. For today's demonstration, we'll select sine wave, calculate RMS from peak voltage. The calculator provides several input fields. First is peak voltage, V peak, where you enter your maximum voltage value. There's also an RMS voltage, VRMS field for reverse calculations. You'll see a duty cycle percentage field for square wave calculations, a load resistance ohm field for power calculations, and a voltage samples field that accepts comma-separated values in volts for custom waveforms. Let's work through a real example. I'll enter 170 volts in the peak voltage field. This represents a typical household AC voltage peak. After clicking Calculate, the Results section displays RMS voltage, 120.2 volts. This confirms our standard 120-volt AC household supply, since RMS voltage for a sine wave equals peak voltage divided by the square root of 2. This RMS value represents the equivalent DC voltage that would deliver the same power to a resistive load, crucial for power calculations and component selection. One critical insight: always verify your waveform type before calculating. Applying sine wave formulas to square or triangle waves will produce significant errors in your power calculations. Find the link in the description below.